Have you ever felt that even though you have the power to do everything, you still cannot start anything because of fear? Sometimes it is the fear of failure, sometimes the fear of people's opinions, and sometimes the fear of the future. This story will show you that the real enemy is not outside but inside our own mind. And watch this story till the end. Once upon a time, there lived a man in a city. His name was Ahmed. Ahmed was very intelligent and wise. He was so smart that people of the village came to him for advice and decisions. Every morning he read books, and after that he spent the whole day with an old wise man. He liked elderly people very much and respected them. Ahmed's parents had passed away when he was very young. One day, the old man said to him, "Today we will go to a forest and I want to tell you something important." When they reached the forest, the old man started speaking. He told Ahmed, "There is something in this world that destroys a person from inside and from the mind. It is so dangerous that some people cannot even face it, while some people fight it." Ahmed asked, "What is it? And is there any cure for it?" The old man said, "Yes, there is a cure, but only the person who has it can treat it." Ahmed became very scared and started thinking, what could it be? He asked the old man, "Can this happen to me as well?" The old man replied, "Yes, it can happen to you too." Ahmed went home, and day and night he kept thinking about that thing which could destroy a person mentally. He became very worried and stopped meeting people and even stopped visiting the old man. Fear grew inside him that this problem might affect him. He remained angry and stressed all the time. Then he decided, "I will leave this city and start my own business somewhere else. I will make myself successful." Ahmed went to another city and decided to start his own business. But he kept thinking, what if I fail? What if I face loss? Day and night he thought only about failure and loss. Because of this fear, he never started the business. The fear grew stronger inside him. Finally, Ahmed went back to the old man. The old man said to Ahmed, "Ahmed, you look very worried. What is the problem?" Ahmed replied, "Since the day you told me about that dangerous thing, I have been scared. Before starting anything, I fear that I might fail. Day and night I keep thinking about that thing." The old man smiled and said, "Ahmed, this is the disease that destroys a person from inside, and you already have it." Ahmed asked, "What is its cure?" The old man said, "This disease does not come from outside. A person creates it in his own mind. That is why its cure is also within you. The cure is simple. Think less and start taking action. Every task you are delaying because of fear, start it with a small step. Not perfect, just one step. The cure for failure is not success. The cure for failure is effort." The old man placed his hand on Ahmed's chest and said, "Whenever fear comes, say to yourself, I will do what is in my control. What is not in my control, I will leave it to Allah." Emptying the mind does not mean that thoughts will not come. It means not giving every thought a place in your heart. Stop overthinking small things and stop getting angry for no reason. The more you think and fear, the more this disease grows inside you. Ahmed took a deep breath. After many days, his heart felt lighter. That day, he learned one important lesson. Fear is not ended by thinking. Fear ends by facing it. And that is the true meaning of empty your mind. So friends, this story is for all those people who overthink all the time, who imagine failure before even starting, and who have become prisoners of their own minds. Remember, the way to defeat fear is not more thinking, but action. Even a small step is still a step. If you liked this story, please subscribe to the channel.